Now I'm going to use this to color half of the batch. Use a strainer. Yep, I got emotion. Now add in the essential before we split it up. Okay, so I'll try to get around. This is 600, so gotta get around. Okay, this one we get medium place as well. Move this back. Gotta move fast now. Bit of knowledge of how to make a swirl, and you're good to go with this. Yeah, more advanced technique. Feel soft, but sorry. Okay, what we're doing today, we're gonna make a snow strip swirl. Okay, using my Super 6 recipe. So check the description if you want to know about this recipe. So let's get started. I haven't measured out everything yet. Just the lye I haven't measured out. But I'll just give you a tour. Okay, so this is the hard oil. This one is 35% palm oil and 30% coconut oil. Okay. In this liquid oil, I have canola oil 10%, olive oil 10%, rice bran oil 10%, castor oil 5%. So 6 oils altogether to make this recipe. The additive, I have citric acid, which I have make adjustment for the lye as well already. Okay, I'll need to recalculate the lye. That's very important. Okay, otherwise you get a high superfat. Okay, so if you don't use citric acid, you recalculate the lye. Okay, I'm going to use kaolin clay, and I'm going to add in sodium lactate as well. Now, the most important thing is the coloring. Okay, so this is the leftover of the indigo powder that I have. Now I'm going to use this to color half of the batch. Okay, so when we get it to the emulsion, we add in our essential oil, all that stuff. Then I'm going to split it up. I'm going to add half of the batch to this thing here, and I'm going to mix, okay, with the snow strip. Okay, there's 2 layers. Okay, one is white, one is blue. Okay, and the top part is where we do a in the pot swirl. Okay, and there's 2 techniques in this technique. Okay, in this snow strip. So if you know how to do layering, if you know how to do in the pot swirl, you can do this part. I have video on those 2 techniques. So if you don't know how to do it, you can check out my video, my playlist. Okay, the advanced version. Okay, now let's get started making soap. Let me put in my glove. We measure our lye and we get going. Long pants is summer right now. Otherwise, I'll wear socks as well or shoes. Just protect all your whole body. Let's melt the hard fat first in the microwave. 1 minute will do. Clean as you go, as always. Now for the water, I don't use the whole. I don't use the just distilled water. I use aloevera gel. Slowly pour it in. Check the temperature now. 27 degrees. Okay, it's fine, perfect. Keep stirring until everything melts. Just like that. And I always, to make it cooler, use an eye bath. That's why we use stainless steel, so it's easy to cool down the lye. Yep, it is all good. Leave it aside. .48 degrees. Still haven't melted the everything yet, so it doesn't matter. Now, let's mix the oil in. So the hard fat go in first. Soft fat go in as well. Once you measure everything out, everything just easy. Okay, don't make a mess of things. So once you measure out the oil, the fat, just take it away, move it away. Whatever you have on the table, that's what you want to use. Now I'm going to add in our additive now. So sodium lactate go in as well in the oil stage. Some people do it in the oil sage, but I do this way. Citric acid go in as well. The essential oil we wait later, okay, after emulsion. Okay, this is kaolin clay, go in as well. Give it a stir, slowly. There might be some clumps, so let's when we use the stick blender, okay, to blend everything. Ready to make soap. Let's check the temperature. 31 degree, 33 degree. It's all right, yeah. We're soaping cool. Once we mix in the lye solution, it should be fine, okay. So 33 degree. Okay, let's make soap. Okay. Use a drainer. Okay, done. Okay, ready to make soap. Okay, we're going to mix it now. With this ingredient, be very careful with your mixing because it's going to trace very fast with the 10% rice bran oil. So I'm going to keep stir it, see how it goes first. Okay, emulsion really fast. Okay, yep, I got emulsion. Now add in the essential before we split it up. Okay. Now, I got to a emulsion already. Now we've got to split them up, okay? Otherwise, we might have been run into trouble if we try to stick blend too much. So I haven't stick blend yet, okay? With this recipe, it's best if we have an eyeball, okay? But eyeball it doesn't work for me, so I use a scale. So my recipe weight around like 1200 mil or kilograms, so I'll just split them up, half. Let's go. So 600 for this one. $605, that's all right. Leave one in the pot, might as well, right? It's not that hard. Okay, so that's two patch right now. Get our mold ready. So this one, we're going to mix in our indigo powder. Okay. Maybe it's enough, maybe it's not enough. Let's see. Okay, leave it aside. We have lye trace here, so leave it at that. Yep, medium pace. Okay, let's pour it out here. Let me weigh it up. So I'll try to get around, this is 600, so gotta get around 350 for the bottom layer. Give and take, 350. So around that's medium trays. Okay, 340. Give and take. 345. Okay, we have one layer. Okay, this one we get medium trays as well. Move this back. Gotta move fast now. Tar this. 350 as well. Cushion a little bit. This last one here, we make the in the pot swirl, okay? Hopefully, finger crossed we can do it. We have medium trays, so we gotta move fast. Clearance, okay. Now in the inner pot, we just have to, in the pot, okay, we just stir one swirl. So we'll try to make a snow, okay? Give and take, we can do this one. Cushion a little bit. Bit of knowledge of how to make a spill swirl, and you're good to go with this, more advanced technique. Bang it down. Okay, let's make some pattern. Move that away. See? Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the cut as well. So that's the snowdrift swirl. Okay, 2 layers plus the inner pot swirl to make the top. I'll show you guys the cut, then it should be come out fine. Okay, this is product 24 hours after it's been curing in the esky with the blanket wrap on top of this mold here. Okay, so let me unmold it. Let me touch it first. Should be safe now, okay? It's been 24 hours, so I've been using this recipe for a while, so I know it's safe, okay? But if you have a new recipe, make sure you do a pH test to see if the lye is still right, okay? So it's hardish, okay? So okay, let me swing it around, and now we unmold this, and we're gonna do a cutting. Okay, unmolding time. Flip it over. Easy come off, that's good news. So that's the side. So far so good. It's a bit oily somehow. Superfat probably. I'm gonna cut this into 10 bars. So roughly 1 inch. Roughly, okay, give and take 1 inch. Still soft, but it's alright. 24 hours. Okay, so still a bit soft. A lot of water in this recipe, I think. Okay, we're nearly done. Just one more cut here. Yeah, last one a bit too big. It's alright. And we finish. Okay. Okay, it's still very moist. Okay, still wet because only 24 hours. Okay, I use a lot of water, so I'm gonna let it cool for 4 to 6 weeks with this recipe, with this amount of water. I'll take a photo with this when it's done, curing, another 2 weeks so. So this is the, so we have the layer here, okay, 2 layers, and this is the top swirl. Turn out alright, I reckon. I have to move fast, okay, at the end. Couldn't get the snow to melt, but that's alright. Turn out, I like it, okay. I'll see you next time with another video, okay, with another recipe, another technique. Yeah. Okay. Bye.